Hello everyone. Next we will present the Demand Flexibility Management Service developed in the Phoenix project and its platform. Before we proceed, what is demand response and demand flexibility? Critical to the energy industry, demand flexibility represents consumers' capacity to adapt their electricity or energy consumption in response to fluctuations in supply and demand within the electrical grid. Demand response, also known as DR, is a strategy used in electricity management. It involves encouraging electricity consumers, such as households and businesses, to adjust their electricity usage in response to price signals or grid needs. The demand can be altered by achieving peak clipping, valley filling, or load shifting on the demand curve. There are two types of flexibility utilized in the market and considered in Phoenix's Demand Flexibility Management Service. Explicit demand-side flexibility, which is explicitly committed and dispatchable, can be traded on various energy markets, much like generation flexibility. This type of demand-side flexibility is commonly known as incentive-driven flexibility. Implicit demand-side flexibility is the consumer's reaction to price signals, where consumers can adapt their behavior to save on energy expenses. How can end consumers participate in demand response events? Direct load control through Phoenix Smartness Hub. Thanks to the actuation devices integrated in the platform, the Demand Flexibility Management Service can intelligently control its operation to reduce demand at specific periods. This may involve shutting down the device or reducing the set point. End consumers can participate in demand response events in an automated way. Users have the option to set a flexibility setting for their actuator devices, specifying a control limit based on a factor or a time window within which time shifting can be made to the operation of the device. Another way is through personalized flexibility recommendations via Phoenix Dashboard. For equipment that does not allow action, demand response event notifications are sent to users to encourage them to manually participate in modifying their demand. With these mechanisms provided by the Phoenix Flexibility Service, end users can alter the demand curve to meet the needs of the network and receive economic incentives.